Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're here at the Life Sciences Week in San Francisco 2013. With me, Professor Michael Jordan of Magic Race LLC, a private company. Professor Michael, I want to welcome you to SNNLive.
Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak to you.
Okay, you know, the Magic Race. I love it. What's that name for?
Well, the Magic Race is actually an acronym for my family. But actually the Magic Race is coming from the magic magnetic chair that was called my device from a very important urologist in a conference. And I like that too. And this is how everything came out.
So, explain. What does your product do?
Well, I have a product that stimulates nerve in the pelvic floor, and through the nerve stimulating device I induce muscle contractions in a depth of 7.5 centimeters, so actually training the pelvic floor muscles in their hole. There is no other system available on the market that gets that penetration depth, and that's why I have a very unique and special device.
What disease or condition are you treating?
Well, I treat with this system all kinds of incontinence problems, stress incontinence, overactive bladder, incontinence after radical prostatectomy. But through the blood flow increasing and the nerve stimulation, I can treat pelvic pain. I have the only treatment option for chronic prostatitis, and I have a sensational ad for erectile dysfunction.
So basically, let me see if I get this straight. I come to see you, or I go to a doctor that has your equipment. I sit in it. I sit there for a treatment, and next thing you know, I'm on the path to getting better.
It is a training device, so if you just go once, that will not solve the problem. So actually you have to sit about 20 times in the chair. The sessions are 2 or 3 times a week if you make a training for muscles, but it could be every day for chronic pain, for chronic prostatitis, or for erectile dysfunction.
So is it a device that they could buy for their own home, or is it something that they have to go to a doctor's appointment? Just trying to clarify the market.
Well, actually it's a device that is sitting in a hospital or in a private practice, because you only need 20 sessions. The maintenance of the results, you do maybe 2 or 3 sessions every 3 to 4 months, so actually you don't buy it for the home use. I have a couple of clients who brought it. It's pretty expensive, but if you can afford it and you need it, then you can buy it.
So let me ask you, it's approved by the FDA or not?
It is approved by the FDA since 1998. The patents were since 1994, and the system is now available in 57 countries.
How many patients are using it?
Well, in my own practice in Munich, I treated in the past 13 years over 3,500 patients myself.
How large is the market for it?
About 3 billion people.
That's substantial.
It's more than substantial. It's not the only device I have, but if I put together all my systems and the requirements and the need and the fact that many of the problems that I can solve or improve with my systems don't really have an option at the moment, then actually my market is about 50% of the world population.
What is your market penetration here in the United States?
Well, I took over the technology only 3 years ago, being a distributor of the system in Germany and then Europe, Middle East and Asia. And I didn't do the American market until now, but there are about 300 systems throughout the United States.
Oh, so you're a real growing company. I mean, it's not like you're just entering now? You've been around for a while.
Well, I've been around since 1999 when they put the system on the market. I was lucky enough to be there when they launched the product in '99. I brought my system after sitting in that for 10 seconds. I brought it to Munich to my praxis. 2 months later, I had to buy a second system because I didn't have appointments free. 2 months later, I was the distributor for Germany. And I grew up taking a country after country, took Europe, Middle East, and 3 years ago I just brought as a one person the technology. I own it now.
And let's give you the website to get more information, please.
The website is www.kitalpha-med.de.
Okay, say it also.
www.kitalpha-med.de.
Ladies and gentlemen, the DE stands for Deutschland, so it's in English and German, I'm sure, and probably have it in only in English. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Michael Jordan of the Magic Race LLC. It's a private company. Doc, I want to thank you for coming on.
I thank you very much for the opportunity.